Uy, wala na akong marinig. Nakakatakot. Hi, guys! So, we're gonna do the I am.
Say our challenge.
Sorry. Guys, hi, I am deaf. You.
I am blind.
Yes.
Huh?
Eto.
So many churros, and it's so easy to make it. Only
Okay.
takes 5
Hala, hindi ko rin marinig yung video.
Everything tastes better when it's small.
Okay. So, ang gagawin nila, open nila yung butter. Tapos pag-halo nila yung milk. Oo. Hindi. Oo. Ha?
Add in about 1 cup.
Ang puso ko'y...
What is this?
JP, akin na yan. Ito.
My God. You know what just melted? Just
Wala
melt it for
talaga ako
1
marinig.
minute. Melt for 1 minute.
One word.
Melt.
Huwag ka magsalita, hindi kita makikita. Ha? Ano yun? Sasayaw tayo. Ano nga? Okay na ba?
Melt
Ano
it.
yun?
Melt.
Egg.
Melt.
Milk. Ituro nyo. I-melt natin. More. Yak. Kadiri. One word.
1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute. Dapat sabar.
We need to do the dry
Hindi,
butter.
dun siya mismo ilalagay sa butter yung milk and sugar. Ha?
The dry butter.
Sabi ni JP.
Where's the flour? Show her the flour. Do it now.
Gagawin dyan. Mamaya na!
Move. It's hot. It's hot. What I'm gonna use? Chloe, what I'm gonna use? The big?
Oh. Walang sinabi sa video.
Then this.
Ah,
Slight oil. Then add
Yung
in
sa-
about 1 cup of flour.
1 cup. Isang cup lang? Or 2? 1 lang, sabi. Hindi ko nga marinig eh.
Where's the big bowl? Give me the bowl. Give me the
Go,
bowl.
Yan.
Then sugar.
Yan.
How many sugar?
Anong cup? Ilan measure?
Sugar.
Ano?
This? Let's just use
Mix together
this.
about 1 stick of butter, half cup of milk, half cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. On medium heat.
1 tablespoon this.
Ha?
Sugar.
1
Sugar.
1/8? 1/8 siya. Ilang table? 1 tablespoon. 1 table cup to eh.
It's the
That's
same.
equivalent to, 1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
Ako, tsara. Oh,
1 cup.
milk pa! Milk.
Yeah. 1 cup. Right. You say the 1 cup.
1 cup? Is that a question?
In the dry butter.
You hold this. Yan. Don't move, this is liquid.
That's why you do it. Because I can't see.
May ginagawa siya.
Oh.
You hold, wag ka gagalaw. Ay, 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 ay.
The bowl.
Parang kulang yung flour natin.
Then one more.
Haluin mo yan dyan.
One more.
Ano gagawin?
Water.
Isa pa?
Water.
No
Yeah.
flour? Okay. Narinig mo to? Parang ang-chill natin, guys. Chill ba kayo? Uy, ang dami! Sabi ko sa'yo, isang drop lang eh. Go, baba mo. Baba. Go, baba. Yan.
Then 1 cup of water. 1 cup of
Uy, we
water.
forgot to add the egg.
One cup of water.
Butter. Baso.
Water.
Tubig. Ano gagawin sa tubig? Isang baso. 1 cup. Wait lang.
Milk, blind.
Guys, ang kalat Anong gagawin? Ba't ayaw ma-dissolve ng margarine?
Wait, can I see for a bit? Can I see?
Ha? Si JP, hindi siya makakita.
Because I know how to dissolve the margarine.
Hindi magsalita si JP. Huwag ka na daw magsalita.
Because I know how to dissolve the margarine.
Kaya ikaw kaya Wait, parang buo siya dahil sa
Wait, can I see how the texture
Parang
is?
need talaga siya i-melt. Need talaga siya i-melt sa
Pan.
need talaga siya i-melt sa pan. Tara. I-stop mo muna yan.
Put it in the flour.
Okay. Ha? Uy, wag kang umalis. Hiya ka na naman. Alright, again. Okay, guys, so we're gonna put this melted butter. Anong gagawin dyan?
Have you guys put water?
Ipupur! Ano gagawin? Flour! Ano gagawin sa flour? Ha? Bakit may tatanggalin? Anong tatanggalin? 2 cup yan ng flour. Ha? Water. Ah! Titignan natin. Nakita ko, nilagay niya sa yung pinainit niya. Lahat ng pinainit niya, nilagay niya dito sa flour. 2 cups. Hindi. Dinagdagan lang namin kasi it feels kulang. Okay na yan! Ha? Babawasan mo yan? Bakit? O sige, go. Kapag
Why?
kulang yan na sinasabi ko sa'yo. Anong ganun? Wait lang.
That's not need to be liquid. That's why we put 2 cups of flour.
Ah. I-save mo muna yan. Pwede na ito ilagay. Lahat. JP man. Oh! Ay. O, tapos. JP, you mix. That. Is that okay? Ang unti naman! Egg.
Egg.
Get the sides. May mga nas. Wait, stop.
Water. Put some water.
Water pa?
Huh? Huh?
Ibalik mo to. Uy, 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 uy. Mamaya, tansya-tansyahin natin. Wait nga. Ako muna. Hawakan mo, JP, para hindi gumalaw. Na para maglalayas yun.
Because when you mix, it's messy.
Ba't ganito siya?
It's liquidy. I can hear.
Ang gagawin? More flour?
See?
Sugar? More sugar? More sugar? More flour and sugar? Go.
2
Kayo mag-ano?
tablespoons.
Ako mag-ano.
It needs to be thick.
Uy!
Wait.
Wow, ang tamis! We add more flour.
It needs to be thick, okay.
Is that okay? Go, mix. Said you want to taste this later.
Okay. I will bring this better.
No, we don't use our hands. Huh?
One ball.
Ano yan?
Stop the video. Stop the video
Pambomba ng
first.
balon.
Stop the video first.
Ano gagawin dyan?
Huh?
Ah!
Stop.
Yun nga eh. Wala akong makitang plastic dabo.
Stop the video first. Stop. Huh? Huh? What? Huh? Oh. It's too liquidy. More flour. Huh? Bro, I can't see and I can't.
Bakit? Kaya nga eh. JP, ganun. Wait, ako nga. Ay. Ayan na. Hindi pala naka-on eh.
Huh?
Ano?
The video?
Uy, wag ka lalapit, JP.
The video?
Tignan. Ito yung kinalabasan niya, mas dry siya eh.
Need more flour.
Ito oh, mas dry. Ayun oh. Ganyan siya. We have to add more flour. Okay lang yan para marami maluto natin.
1 cup.
We have to make the sauce pa. Wait, I think mas maganda siya eh. Uy! Let's add more flour para mas maging dry siya.
I'll put.
Konti lang. Oh. Ha?
What is this? Oh, there's a bowl. Oh, you need to clean it. Wait, I need to stir it first so that the flour can get. Okay?
Babaya. Yan, sa gilid. Ikunin mo rin yung mga nasa gilid. Yan! 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 Dito, banda dito. Sa gitna ng... Ay, ano kanta to? Ito yung nahanap ko eh. Oh. Ganyan ba yun?
I can't see it if it's true.
Yan ba yung nasa video? Tiga mo. Ito. Okay na yan para sa'yo. Or dagdagan pa natin ng flour.
If only
Tingnan mo
I-
kasi nasa video.
Can I see?
Parang mas dry pa yung nasa video kaysa dito. So,
Can I
dagdagan
see?
pa natin ito.
Stop the video first. Oh, next. Oh,
Wait, di pala natin nasabi ko ano yung gagawin natin. Guys, yung ginagawa pala natin churros.
I already
Churros.
said it.
Ipakita mo to sa intro ng video. Flashback. Ay, foreshadowing. Ah!
Okay.
We're gonna cook this deep fry. Ha? Oo nga, we're gonna deep fry and we see you later.
And we
Bye-bye.
can already take off our thing.
Yeah. Hey guys, ang sakit na ng tenga ko, sobrang lakas. Gusto mo matry kung gano'n
Oh, wait. Do you have cutting board? So we can roll it down. Huh? Roll it.
No, I have idea there. Para kung paano. Ang gagawin ko, ako na magpa-fry niyan. Tapos,
We're just gonna go.
kayo, you're gonna do the next
roll?
recipe.
Oh, okay.
Lasing ako.
Also, if you're gonna roll this, put flour. So that it's not sticky.
Uy, ba't may...
Huh? Yeah, that's okay. That's...
Guys, linisin nyo dito ah.
What's the color? We need to wash this first. Do you have an extra bowl? Extra bowl.